Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I crimped my hair. You're just going to kind of watch me like crimp it and stuff. This is the first time I ever did this. And I'm going to start out, I have first of all, the hair I'm wearing is Unice hair. And I'm not sure of the length and stuff, but I'll leave it down below. I already did a video on it. But yeah, so this is a bed head waver they call it. I got this from actually Depop. And it was like only $10 on Depop, but I think it retails for like $30 on Amazon. So yeah, you can go pick that up. It's really inexpensive. And the way that I'm showing first is not how you do it. It shows you the incorrect way. So you just want to turn it around, and then you want to crimp it where like the grooves are like at the top. And you just start at the very root of your hair, and you hold it for like 10 seconds, and then you want to just keep going down. But when you go down, you want to make sure the last groove or the last wave that you created, you put the wave on top of that. I don't know how to describe it, but like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you basically are reinforcing the last wave that you just did. So, and then you're going to keep going until you get to the bottom of the hair. And yeah, I really love crimps. Like, Arrogante has like gotten the style of crimps in season. I love it so much. It looks so nice, especially like when it all comes in uniform. This is my first time doing it, so it kind of like, it looked okay, but I know I can like get better, so I will eventually. And you just want to section off the hair in like smaller sections and just keep doing it all over your head. But this hair is like really silky. It's really nice. It's Indian hair. Unice hair like has really nice soft hair. Like, I was very impressed, and their frontals are really soft. Like, I'm literally telling the honest truth. It is so soft. I actually really love this hair. This is like my go-to wig now, because like it's really easy to manage and doesn't really tangle. So yeah, I really like this hair. And like, the frontal was really easy to install. So some frontals, like, they have hard lace, but this lace was really soft, and it's like blends into my skin very well. So I really like this. And I'll leave all the links down below to where you can purchase the hair and everything. And if you really want to, you can actually just put in sections and like go in better sections than what I am. But I'm pretty lazy when it comes to my hair. Like, I honestly hate doing my hair. So I just like went in wherever I thought like I needed curls. But you can actually section off so it can make it look neater, and the outcome will be way better. But like, you see me, I got really excited. This takes about 45 minutes probably to do. If you have longer hair, probably like, yeah, probably an hour or 45 minutes. It depends. Me, because it's my first time, it took me a little while to get the hang of it, and I had to redo some of it. So yes, but I'm sure when you get the hang of it, it will take you like a really less time to do it. And I really want the other barrel waver. It's an ion one or the babyless one. Those look like they are really nice. Like, they do a really good job. I'm not sure if it really makes a difference. So yeah, but these curls are so nice. Like, they're so pretty. And I feel like next time when I do it, I'm gonna do it on like the wig head first, and then install it into my hair, because I can like see better and section off better, and I will get less tired. Because you know, when your hand, like when you're doing your hair on your head, it's actually, your hands get tired. So also, you guys, let me know what videos you want to see, because I've been like, I don't know, I've been like a little down for YouTube. I don't know why. It's just like sometimes you don't get in the mood of filming, but I'm like really back now. So I didn't really take a break for real. It was like a week off. I usually like to upload 2 to 3 times a week. I only did like every week. I mean, like once a week. So, but let me know what videos you want to see, so I can like just shoot out more videos for you guys. I'm trying to do a lot of content before summertime, and then summertime I feel like it's gonna be like a lot, because I'm not gonna be in school and stuff. But right now it's kind of like it's getting close to final season, so like projects, school projects are like they want you to do group projects. It's taking a lot of time and it's just kind of stressful. So please bear with me. But I'm glad that you guys are still subscribing and you guys will follow me on Instagram because we're doing really well on Instagram actually. So yes, thank you guys so much for like all the support, and anyone who watches me, just like leave a comment down below. I love like answering you guys' questions and your comments. But here I'm just showing you how I do my baby hairs. This is the Cream in Nature Mousse. This is a Annie toothbrush, and I mean not a toothbrush, but you know, the edge brush, and I use that OGX oil. I just put that on my head, on the top of my head, and the mousse on top of my head to flatten it out. And if you have a hot comb, you can go in like press it and like flatten it out. I think I just ordered the hot comb here, and so I didn't get to do it in this video. But this is how I do like my edges on a normal. It's like no way, shape, or form perfect, but this just works for me. I really like this mousse, and it just like helps the baby hair stay down without looking like so hard. So like after it dries and stuff, it looks just like normal. It doesn't look really hard. And I use my other hand to reinforce and like lay the hair where it's actually supposed to go. So yes, this is how I do it. And later on, I went back and like crimped some of the other hair. As you can see, like in the back, it wasn't like all the way crimped when I show you. But I really like the outcome. It looked really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.